Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. And guys, today I'm gonna make some food. Over here I'm gonna make some shredded carrot with cabbage, and I'm gonna pop some tomato and cucumber in it. And I have my Grace coconut milk, and I'm gonna make some, and I have some dry pigeon peas or gungo. I'm gonna make some gungo rice and peas with that. And over here I have some vegetable and ketchup, soy sauce, black pepper, pimento, and a little bit of salt, and some scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and scallion. And here is the real deal, my fish. I'm gonna do some brown stew fish today. I already add some black pepper and salt to it. So the next step over here, I add with the flour a little bit of paprika, a little bit of all-purpose, and a little bit more black pepper. And I have my oil getting hot. There you go, just like that. While those are getting brown, my peas and my coconut milk is in the pot. I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna put my seasoning in it. So guys, that comes to a boil. I'm gonna add some thyme, few pimento, just about that, and scallion or green onion. All you have to do, you make sure you beat it to get the flavor in, and you just blend it and throw it in like that. I have to make two different pots because my pots are small. So these are done right about now. You can eat them just like that. Just put a little carrots and onion on them, or you can just brown stew them as well. So guys, that's my gungo rice and peas, and that's done. Move on over here. I'm gonna brown stew the fish now. And I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil this time, not too much, about that. I'm just gonna place my fish while the garlic are getting burned. Just gonna place, oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna place back the fish inside. They're already fried. So guys, now I'm gonna add some sweet pepper, thyme, some carrots, some tomato, some blended seasoning. I'm I'm going to add a little bit towards that. It has all the herbs. Also, I have some pepper. Because it's fish, I'm just going to add 2 pieces to it. And I also have some frozen sweet pepper. Few fresh pimento. And guys, all you need, I'm just gonna add a cup of water. To this, I add some soy sauce and some ketchup. You're gonna mix it up and then you're just gonna pour it on in. This will give it the body and some color. This is the finished result. My brown stew fish. I'm going to take it off, let it cool, and I'm going to show you another way or a next way how you can brown stew your fish. I'm going to do this set in a different way. So guys, this way to brown stew your fish, I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to make the gravy first and then I'm going to put the fish just simmer. To that, I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to add some ketchup. My secret ingredient, my blended seasoning. I'm going to add a little. Just going to add a few pimento. A little bit of black pepper. Add my fish. Way I make my little special coleslaw. This is Fiona's special. I add some green bell pepper or sweet pepper, some cabbage, some carrots, and some cucumber. To that, I'm going to add a spoon of mayonnaise. About that. Just a taste of vinegar so it can be tangy. Some lime or lemon juice. I'm going to also add about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, about a tablespoon of sugar. Serve up my fish. My gungo rice and peas. It's the gungo in the can, so you won't get it darker than this. This is the silver snapper, and this one is a bigger fish. I slice it up in pieces, and this one is the yellowtail snapper. And I'm gonna dish some out for you guys. That's my finished result. My brown stew fish, serve up with some good Jamaican gungo peas and my favorite are my special coleslaw. Serve up with just some tang, with some lemon squeeze, some fresh strawberry, and some lime slices. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, guys, and be blessed.